Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Raiffeisen TWINT how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Raiffeisen TWINT is a mobile payment that allows you to make sure secure and convenient payments directly from your smartphone. So first, what you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon, and on the search bar type in Raiffeisen TWINT. Now look for the icon like this and then tap on it. Now once you tap on it, here you'll be getting the get button. Simply tap on that to successfully download the app. Now once the app has been downloaded, tap on open, and then once you are here, what you need to do is just simply tap on start. And now if you are new to the Raiffeisen TWINT, select yes, I am new to Raiffeisen TWINT, or if you already have an account, simply tap on no and then tap on continue. Then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully use the app. You can now use features like in-store payments or online shopping, sending and receiving money, parking payments, and cash withdrawals. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.